Today we learn alphabet. Let's start today's class. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for hat. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for king. L. L for lemon. M. M for mango. N. N for nose. O. O for orange. P. P for potato. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rocket. S. S for sun. T. T for tomato. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget like the video and subscribe my channel. If you want to see these kind of more video, links are given in the description box.